Good afternoon. My name is Don, and today I'm going to unbox and demonstrate the Bluetti PV200 solar panel. Now, just remember, this is not a paid commercial. I bought the Bluetti on my own. I have done a bunch of research on Bluetti, and I found that their battery technology is suitable to my needs. They've got a very, very good selection of solar generators, solar panels, all sorts of other devices. What I did, I bought the Bluetti AC200 Max. It seems to suit the bill for what I want to do. And then I bought two PV200 solar panels to go with it to charge it up. So I'm going to take this one out. I've already taken one out. I'm going to take the second one out and get it open for us. They're solid. They weigh about 10 kilos. So I've got a shout out to UPS. UPS delivers in Canada for Bluetti, and both deliveries, because I've got them delivered different times. I got the generator. It was 2 days early. The solar panels, they were also a day early. So thank you UPS for doing that. It all arrived safe and sound. So it comes packed with various things of styrofoam. Nice thing about the panel itself, it comes with a nice secure handle. In the bag comes a manual with warranty and information and all that other stuff as well. Okay, on the back of the panel, one of the panels, is this pouch. In the pouch is the connectors. So you can connect these parallel in series, connect more than one of them together. I'm not sure of the total time, but I know that the efficiency on these solar panels is about 23%, which is pretty good. Should be able to get some decent wattage out of it in bright sunshine. Wrapped very nicely. So these look like pretty robust cables. Nice connectors. Now there is a connector kit that comes with the Bluetti that you have to hook into the Bluetti generator to charge it. All right. And each panel has got a stand, and it's a more than one position stand, okay? So you've got, this is the store position, and then you've got almost straight up, partway in between, and that way you can set the angle on the sun, so for maximum charging. Okay, there's clips at the top. And the sun's coming from that way, so I'm going to stand it up with the stands on that. And then we'll take a short break while I get it hooked up to the generator. So, pull it away from the Velcro. I'm going to put it in the middle position. All right, and then we just kind of, and away you go. I'm going to have to slide this back a little bit so that I can get it into the sun, because I've got curtains in my window and I'm doing this in my living room. Okay, we're going to take a short break while I hook this up. Okay.
Oh, is she helping?
There's my assistant, Missy. So you can see that we're probably only going to be in about half sunshine with this setup. All right, I've got the panel set up in my my living room. As you can see by here, there's multi positions. So the farther down you go, the higher it stands up. That just gives you a better degree. And there's your charging cord. I think I would probably like to see a little bit more positive stands on. I don't know if that's the right position or not. Okay, so the solar generator itself comes with a set of wires. These are the ones that you'd use for the solar panel. Solar panel connections. This connects to the generator itself. So, as I said, I've got the AC 200, 2,000 watts, lots of energy in my estimation. All right, we have the power station hooked up to charge. So you're using this input valve, use this adapter, and this other stuff comes off of the solar panel itself. So if we've got enough sunshine, we should be getting something here. Well, we're getting something in through the AC or the DC. It's not showing us very many watts. There you go. Input voltage is 19.6 volts. So we're inside and the sun is kind of going down. So that shows you that it will charge. It will charge much better in good sunshine, I'm sure. Also, there is a Bluetti app that allows you to Bluetooth control your power station. I would advise you when you're setting it up that you don't use autofill. Autofill seemed to make it not take the response. So that's just a word of wisdom from me. So this is your setup. I've got my AC 2000, AC 200 Max. One solar panel PV200. Max output should be about 200 watts. I'm not getting anything near that right now because I'm inside and the sun is behind the clouds. But we are getting something in there. So it seems to be working fine. I think the instructions could be a little bit more precise. They just show you the adapters and everything like that, and you kind of got to set them up yourself. So have a good day. And this is not sponsored by Bluetti or anybody else. I purchased the solar panels. I've purchased the solar generator because I find that it's going to be the best technology for what I need to use it for. I'm going to be hooking it up in my RV as a secondary power source. So thank you.